Question 24, we're working out the shaded area S underneath the curve between the x-axis and the lines x equals 1 and x equals 3. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to rewrite this first term because I don't like the 3 on the denominator there. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1/3 times x cubed ln x. This is exactly the same as that. It's just I prefer to have the 1/3 at the front. Then I've got the minus to 2x and the plus 5. And I'm going to integrate this between 1 and 3 with respect to x. So, to integrate the 1/3 x squared ln x, I'm going to need to use by parts to integrate that. So, just separately, down at the bottom here, I'm going to do a little bit of rough working out here. Let's integrate x squared ln x by parts. So I'm going to let u be the ln x, and I'm going to let v dash be the x squared. Differentiating ln x, I get 1 over x. Integrating the x squared, I get 1/3 x cubed. Applying the by parts formula, now then, I have u times v minus the integral of u dash times v. So 1 over x times the 1/3 x cubed. And now I can see that the x here is going to cancel one of those powers to just leave me with 1/3 x squared. Which I can integrate easily. To b, add 1 to the power to get x cubed, divide by the new power, divide by 3, and that 1/3 becomes 1/9. So, I've got that the integral of x squared ln x is the same thing as this. And I've got 1/3 of that. I could have included the 1/3 in my calculations down here, but I didn't. I just kept it nice and simple when I was doing the integration by parts, and I'm just going to multiply my answer by 1/3. The 2x will integrate easily to be the x squared, and the 5 will integrate easily to be 5x. Now I'm just going to simplify this and substitute my limits in now then. So, simplifying this, the 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. The 1/3 times 1/9 is 1/27. And substituting the 3 in then. Then substituting the 1 in. And we're going to simplify this then. So 3 cubed is 27, divided by 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27, divided by 27 is 1. Then I've got the minus the 3 squared plus the 15. ln1 is just 0, so all of that there is just going to be 0. Then I've got the 1 cubed times the minus 1 over 27, minus the 1 squared plus the 5 times 1. The minus 1 minus 9 plus 15 is just 5. And then I've got a plus 1 over 27, a plus 1 and a minus 5. The plus 5 here and the minus 5 here will cancel out to leave me with just 1/27 plus 1, which will be 28 over 27. The only other thing I need to do, just comparing what I've got here to what I need for my answer here, I can see that the A is 28, the B is 27, but I've got 3 ln 3, and I need it to just be ln c. So I'm just going to use the laws of logarithms here to adjust my answer. I'm going to take this 3 and I'm going to move it up to be a power on the 3, to be ln 3 cubed. The 3 cubed is 27. And there we go. This is my final answer in the desired form.